I don't know, about 3 weeks ago. You know, I live uptown, and you know, my mother lives over here, 81st Street. She's, you know, in her 90s, and I called. She's always home. She doesn't really go out without me. I called, you know, the answering machine picked up. She didn't answer. I called again. She didn't answer. I'm starting to like really freak out. So I get in the taxi cab, and I'm racing down to 81st Street, and I'm telling you, in that taxi cab, I was praying to God that she would be okay. And I'm praying to God, and I know that I do not think there is a God, okay? This is a totally irrational thing that I'm doing. Let me just quickly say, if you're there, I'm sorry, all right? If you're, you know, I just got to hedge my bets, you know? It's a conversation here. I'm just sort of saying how I feel. But I'm like really praying, and when I got there and everything ultimately was fine, it felt like, you know, a small miracle to me. Now, I don't believe in miracles. I believe that we're all bags of particles governed by the laws of physics, and there's nothing else besides that. But at the same time, I find it useful to hold these irrational ideas in mind at certain moments, and I don't give a shit that I do. Yeah.
فإذا مس الإنسان ضر دعانا ثم إذا خولناه نعمة منا قال إنما أوتيته على علم بل